Hello, this is Ms. Rawls, and I welcome you to Management 218 Small Business Management course. This course is a prerequisite for management majors, an elective for general business majors, or for any student who has the desire to learn about the practical approaches to managing in a small business environment. To get started and familiarize yourself with the course, click the Content Tool button. The Content Tool button will display the Overview module. This module provides you with a description of the course and the course materials that is available in the D2L Learning Management System. For example, the Getting Started module has a welcome letter from me, a link to the college's bookstore where you can purchase the textbook. It has a link to download Microsoft Office Professional 2016 at a cost of $39.99 for students. It also has access to Microsoft Office web-based version, which is also available to students for free. This document lists the days and hours of the college's computer labs at each of the 4 campuses' locations. By clicking the D2L How-To Video Tutorials, you can review video tutorials that will provide you with the skills and tools to navigate D2L and complete your assignments. Once you have familiarized yourself with D2L and all the course materials, please complete or click in the Week 1 module so that you can complete the assignments that's listed on the schedule. These assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Thursday, September the 27th. The first assignment is to click here and download the Ready to Begin assignment. Complete the answers and submit it in the D2L Learning Management System. You can click this link and post to the discussion board an introduction of yourself to me and your classmates. The first textbook assignment is Assignment 1, Case 1.1. You click here to download the assignment, place your answers to the questions, and then submit it in D2L. Again, welcome to the course, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you.